What is up, people? We're starting a new challenge. We're all gonna put as much water in our mouths as we can and make faces at each other till one of us spits it up. The last person who doesn't spit up their water is the winner.
1, 2, 3. It was like a girl giving an orgasm. It was like,
Okay, here one.
Again.